ఇప్పుడే లోపలికి వచ్చేశారు మనకు ఇంకో విశిష్ట అతిథి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్రం నుండి శాసనసభ్యులు చెవిరెడ్డి భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి గారు. చెవిరెడ్డి భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి గారిని వేదిక మీదకి ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. భారత రాయబారి శ్రీమతి నీతా ఘోష్ గారిని సభనుద్దేశించి మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. ఐ ఇన్వైట్ మిస్ నీతా ఘోష్, Consul General of India, Chicago, to address this gathering.
Honorable Minister, dignitaries, President of TANA, members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning, namaskar. Let me first say how happy I am to be here with you all this morning. It is indeed a great occasion. So many of you have traveled from various parts of America, from Canada to be here for this event. That is indeed remarkable. It shows your commitment to furthering, our cultural heritage, to working with each other, getting to know each other. I am very impressed, and I would like to especially congratulate the President and all volunteers who have put together such an excellent program. The festivities are grand. It is with a very nationalistic fervor, and the programs are so good that one is totally impressed and mesmerized. The TANA members have contributed in various fields. I mean, in every field, your achievements have been very remarkable. Yesterday, we have seen that even small children are doing so well in acting, in spelling competitions. It is a matter of great pride for us. And I hope that you will continue to engage with India as you have been doing. I am very impressed with the remarkable work that many of you are doing in India as well in terms of education, rural development, health. So many philanthropic activities are being undertaken. That is truly touching and remarkable. Once again, I would like to say that. I don't want to take too much of your time, but I have a message from the Honorable External Affairs Minister of India and the Honorable Secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs. They will talk to you about how you can keep on being engaged with your motherland. And these are very short video presentations. I would request Harish to play them just for a few minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Some bonds are hard to break. Some memories never fade. Remember those village paths, sailing paper boats, those games that really mattered? Those were the days your dreams grew wings. Then you floated away, caught up in your dreams. But your village, your nation, they're still here, waiting for you, expecting you to look back and remember, to nurture those feelings, to replay those memories and think of home. If you've always wanted to give back to your nation, here's your chance. The India Development Foundation of Overseas Indians, or IDFOI, is a not-for-profit trust registered by the Government of India. It provides a credible window for overseas Indian philanthropy in India's social development.
IDF यानी इंडिया डेवलपमेंट फाउंडेशन एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां विदेशों में बसे हुए भारतीय भारत के विकास के लिए अपनी ओर से पैसा भेज सकते हैं। पर मैं आरंभ में ये बताना चाहूँगी कि पैसा दान नहीं है, ये अपनी जड़ों से जुड़ने का एक माध्यम है, ये अपने मिट्टी का कर्ज चुकाने का एक जरिया है, ये अपने देश के प्रति भावनात्मक लगाव का प्रदर्शन है। मैंने लोगों को ये कहते सुना था कि एक भारतवासी को भारत के बाहर ले जाया जा सकता है, पर उसके दिल से भारत को निकाला नहीं जा सकता। अपनी विदेश यात्राओं के दौरान इस भावना को मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा है और हर जगह लोग ये पूछते थे कि हम अपने देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं, मगर कैसे करें। उसी के लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमने सक्रिय किया है। आईडीएफ में हमने 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स अपनी ओर से रखे हैं, एक नमामि गंगे और एक स्वच्छ भारत। नमामि गंगे का मतलब है गंगा मैया को प्रणाम करने के लिए, उनको प्रदूषण मुक्त करने के लिए आप राशि भेज सकते हैं। स्वच्छ भारत का मतलब है टॉयलेट्स का निर्माण अपने गांव में, अपने राज्य में या देश में कहीं भी और जगह आप टॉयलेट निर्माण के लिए पैसा भेज सकते हैं। लेकिन इन दोनों प्रोजेक्ट्स के अलावा यदि आप अपने गांव में या अपने मन की कोई भी जगह चुनकर कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट लेना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए भी पैसा भेज सकते हैं। राज्य सरकारें भी इसमें हमारे साथ जुड़ी हैं। अगर आप किसी खास प्रोजेक्ट के पैसे को ज़्यादा समझते हैं और कम देना चाहते हैं तो हमने एक पूल फंड की भी व्यवस्था की है, जिसमें सबसे कम राशि $100 की रखी है। वो $100 भेज करके आप उस पूल फंड में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दे सकते हैं, जिसके माध्यम से हम बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट लेंगे और उस राशि का प्रयोग करेंगे जिसमें आपकी राशि भी शामिल होगी। और अधिक जानकारी अगर आप चाहते हैं तो हमारी आईडीएफ की वेबसाइट से भी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं या आईडीएफ की सीईओ को सीधे ईमेल करके प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। इसलिए मैं पुनः आपसे अपील करती हूँ, एक मौका आया है, एक मंच आपको मिला है, आइए हम सब मिलकर भारत के विकास में अपना योगदान दें। धन्यवाद।
Whenever we engage the overseas Indians, they are often mentioning to us that they do not have a trustworthy and reliable channel when they do want to undertake philanthropic or charitable activity in India. IDF OI is a unique vehicle, unique instrument which is 100% transparent, extremely efficient, accountable throughout to the donor, where the government of India is taking onus on itself to identify a project of the choice of the donor and then keep the donor informed from time to time about how the money is spent. Interestingly, the donor will also be able to monitor, supervise and give his inputs in the implementation of this, money that he is giving. We have payment gateways. Currently, 3 payment gateways are available. We are partnering with SBI, ICICI, and Axis Bank. So, anybody wanting to, contribute $100, $1,000, or $1 million can use this particular, payment gateway, or they can also transfer the money through normal banking channel to the IDF OI bank account in India.
You can contribute as an individual, a group of individuals, or even through your respective Indian association.
मैं पुनः आपसे अपील करती हूँ, एक मौका आया है, एक मंच आपको मिला है, आइए हम सब मिलकर भारत के विकास में अपना योगदान दें। धन्यवाद।
So, friends, you've heard the message of the External Affairs Minister and the Secretary, and we hope to see more of you. Please keep yourself engaged with the consulates, with the embassy, and wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.